Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Cloud 9 Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains and then add 3 chains. So like I said, we're going to be making an even number of chains plus 3. I'm going to make 153 chains for my example blanket. So that's going to be an even number of chains, then plus 3. I ended up making 153 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. So that's 1 and 2. Skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet and 2 double crochet all into this chain. So that's 1 single, 1 double, and then that second double all into that chain together. Same thing, skip 2 chains into this next one, make that single crochet and then 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and 2 all together. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make that single crochet and 2 double crochet, so 1 and 2 all together. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains and then making this single and 2 double into that next chain for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Row 2 is going to be similar to row 1, but we are going to be working into stitches instead of chains. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, we're going to be making that single crochet and 2 double crochet all into that same stitch. There's that single, and then 1 double, and then that second double crochet all together. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, make that single crochet and 2 double crochet all together. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make that single crochet and 2 double crochet all together. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches and then working this single and 2 double into this next stitch. And you're always going to be working into previous single crochets. So this is that double, double. This was that single that you're going to be working into every time. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 2 double crochet and then some chains left. If you remember from row 1, we skipped some chains and then worked these 2 double crochet into 1 chain together. So these chains at the end of your row are going to act as a single crochet. So into those chains, you're going to make that single crochet and 2 double crochet like normal to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your blanket. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 100 rows total for about a throw size. I tend to make about 55 inches by 60 inches for a throw blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Cloud 9 Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.